In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the you may like suggestions in TikTok. So open up TikTok, wait for it to load, and then over here, just go to your profile, and then click on the three lines at the top right, settings and privacy, and then scroll down until you see notifications, click on that, scroll down again until you see post suggestions and personalized post suggestions. So you might have both of these on, and this is what you want. So you want both of these actually to be off. So since you don't want the you may like suggestions, you can turn off the posts you might like here, and the posts from people you may know. That also influences it. And if you want to control it a little more, then you can just click on the posts from accounts you follow right above those three, and then disable the get post notifications from accounts you follow. So if this is turned on, just turn it off, just like that. Oops. And that's it. So you can't really remove them like completely. TikTok is gonna keep displaying them to you, but this is how you can control it a little more, so you can get a little less or some of them that you might not care about. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.